I think the capital region has some amazing strengths. I think the first of which is its absolute livability. It is a glorious space. There's an awe-inspiring environment. It's quite affordable. There are lots of attractions. And I think if you're just looking for an environment that can inspire and, really sort of lend itself to ideas, creativity, entrepreneurship, then this is the one. I think in terms of investability, there are different offers in the region. I think in terms of key sectors, we are bucking some of the national trends around advanced manufacturing in areas like compound semiconductors, advanced compound semiconductors. Fintech is a really strong sector for us as well. And things like construction do form a mainstay of our economy. And we know that we've got potential competitive strengths in areas such as energy and the environment, which is critical for us as we move forward too. So over the next 20 years, we'll see some massive changes, growth exponentially, I would hope. And I think that's eminently possible if our population grows in the way that's expected. We'll clearly see things then like housing growth. But I think in terms of things like mobility, we'll see a fundamentally new approach. Again, play into some of the strengths in our region, the opportunities for active travel, for greater use of public transport, to make things really accessible is going to be key. I think in terms of clean growth, we'll really pioneer an agenda there because of some of the unique strengths and assets that we have in our region and some of the opportunity to respond to some of the big challenges, because we're a really creative nation, a really creative region, and I think we can leverage some of that to respond to some of those big challenges and equally those big opportunities. I think some of the other things that we will see some big changes around are around data and digital, and again we've got some real competitive strengths in these areas, and I think working with our university partners wherein we have a really strong research base, we can really go some in terms of bringing investment in, creating really high skill, high growth job opportunities and making sure that we bring the wider community along with us, because the benefits that we create are not just for the big companies or the big businesses, they have to be for everybody in our region. And part of my job is to make sure that all of those areas, all of those people, those communities can really see and feel the benefits.